Welcome to Landscaping Dubai. Let's discuss how we could make your pathways very welcoming and interesting. We could create many types of pathways using different materials. They could be curved, straight, or with different levels. Water features along the pathway would make it interesting to walk, and its sound and lighting would make the walk interesting. Pergolas, trellises would make a great elevation with climbing creepers adding fantastic fragrance which is natural. Spot gardens and zen gardens along the pathway are better options than choosing simple hedges. Put essential and mood lighting to make your pathway well lit and accident free. Please give us a call or write an email and we will set up an appointment to meet with you. Thank you for visiting our website. Have a good day.